How standby letter of credit helps you in import and export. Buying goods from overseas and supplying it in local market can be a lucrative venture. But for import and export business, a steady cash flow is important. Are you looking forward to start your import-export business? But are you facing lack of cash funds to pay your supplier in advance? Now you can bridge the gap in finance by availing standby letter of credit from us. Using standby letter of credit, you can import goods on credit basis from your supplier and can pay within the due date. To know how to get standby LC on behalf of your company and how to import goods using SBLC, contact our trade finance consultants today. Get in touch with us. Email us support@importletterofcredit.com. Call us 97145519699. Call or WhatsApp or bottom 9715046487761. Visit www.importletterofcredit.com.